Hey you guys, welcome to Vlogmas 4. Dun, 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 dun. You guys, I'm super proud of myself. I have been consistent in this Vlogmas thingy because this is the 8th of December and I'm already on Vlogmas 4. The third episode is already up, so do well to go check that out. You know, the reason I'm proud of myself is because if you've been following me since last year, you understand what I mean. I tried to do Vlogmas last year, but I was so, I wasn't so, I wouldn't say I was so lazy. I didn't push myself enough. So this period, I decided I'm going to push myself and complete this Vlogmas and post consistently. Even last year, some of my vlogs some of the clips that I filmed from, some of the clips I filmed in December, I ended up posting in January, February, even up until March, if I remember correctly. And I don't want that. I really want to be consistent. So yeah, I just finished skipping. And the reason I'm skipping this evening is because I will not be able to make it for my work. I might not be able to because I have an 8:30 appointment. And by the time I come back, I'm sure it will be super late and I'll be so tired. And you know how Lagos traffic is. I'm trying to mentally prepare myself to get on that Jakonde traffic when I'm coming back, because I've for the past couple of days I don't know what is happening around that Femi Ogunyi street or something like that, just by Sekomo, that is causing a lot of traffic there late in the night. So I'm just mentally preparing myself to get on that traffic on my way back. So I'm sure that when I come back, I won't be able to do my work. So I decided to just get in a little bit of workout before leaving the house. So yeah, let me go get ready to go service my client and I'll catch up with you guys later. Ooh. See the way I'm sweating like a Christmas goat. At this point, I need a car. I need a car, you guys. It was so hot, there was no light, and I'm sweating like a Christmas goat. Anyway, as usual, I couldn't find a ride, so we are like dispensing it. I'm all set up, okay, and this is tonight, and we haven't even started. I'm going to have a long night today. Ooh. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys when I'm done from here. Okay, this is 15 minutes past 10 and I just finished with the makeup. We just finished our session. I am so tired. I can't even get a ride, but she's going to drop me off anyway somewhere, so I'll just book a ride and go meet my friend. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get home, hopefully, if I have the energy. If not, I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. I don't go. Bye. Bye, guys. No, bye. Hi, guys. Hi. So, yes, it's fine. So I'm trying to clean my kaya, my brushes. You guys know that I went for a job yesterday night, and because of how late it was, I couldn't clean up. So let's clean up today, okay? So I can finish up and go home. Actually, let me turn this camera towards me. Can you guys see me? Let me put you guys here. Yeah, better. I wish I can carry this in my box home, safe. I do not want it here on. Oh no. By the way, this is alcohol that I put in a spray bottle. So I am done for the day and I'm just about to leave for work. Sorry, not for work. I'm just about to leave work. So my shirt is actually very big. So what I did is tie it in the back with a rubber band and kind of tucked it in, and it worked. And now I don't look like I'm having a wardrobe malfunction. But yeah, we are done for the day. Hey baby. Hey baby. Hey boo. So why are you crying? Can't you see that I'm here? Or am I too small for you? What's with the crying now? I'm literally here with you, so why are you crying? Oh yeah, come. 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 Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? She's smiling. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Wetin dey cry you? Hi guys, happy Sunday. It's the 10th of December. We're 10 days into December. And this baby is hungry. Her mom is making food for her. But I'm trying to edit my thumbnail for today's Vlogmas that is going up. For the Vlogmas that is going up today. I'm trying to get images for my thumbnail and quickly do a thumbnail and upload. Hey cutie. Hey cutie. So yeah, so you're going to just stay quiet, so I'll finish what I'm doing. You guys have been snacking on this. This girl wants to stop. She doesn't want to lie down. I've been snacking on this plantain chips. I really like it. I don't know if it has a spicy. This one is sweet. I don't know if it has the spicy flavor rather. I'd love to try it, but this is very crunchy. You can tell that it's properly made. I really love it. So let me finish my editing and I'll get back to you. Mommy is making food for you, okay? Hi guys, happy Sunday. Ooh, my hand hurts. Anyway, let's do a little bit of an unboxing because I've always wanted this item that I bought. I've always wanted to buy from AliExpress, but I keep procrastinating and it's 2 years down the line of procrastination. I finally bought this hot comb thingy for a week, and it's been a long time coming. I finally got it. I'm so excited to use it, even though I'm not really a wig person. I don't know if you guys have noticed. I have like a wig I bought from Niger Hair or something. I can't even remember their name, like 2 or 3 years ago, that I haven't worn. It's still somewhere. It's somewhere in my wardrobe, and I have a couple of others that I have that I rarely wear because the maintenance is just too stressful for me. I'd rather just go and braid my hair, just go about my business, my day-to-day business. But yeah, we have a new hot comb. I like that it has this little thing that you can store it in, just so you don't get burnt. I guess that's what it's for. But yeah, I'm excited to use it. So next on the list is this item I got from extras.com. Like, I'm really excited to open this because it will hopefully change my content game, okay? Hopefully. So let's tear it open, you guys. I'm just really excited. Even though this was not exactly what I wanted, but I mean, it's exactly the same thing, but this one is from a different brand. And it's just the popular. In fact, let me just open it and show you guys. Let me just open it and show you guys. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. And then I got a cute gift. She gave me these slides that I asked her for because I saw on one of her posts that she was going to give it to her clients that buy from her like this past week. So I just asked her that if it's still available that she should give it to me. So this cute light, hopefully it works because it's shaking inside. I don't know, shaking inside, but hopefully it works. I'm going to charge it now. and see. But dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay, let's open this up. I'm really so excited. In case you haven't noticed, this is just a tripod. One of them, you know, portable, small tripod for phones that are 5 feet tall. Oh my god. I hope it's sturdy. God, please. Let this thing be sturdy. Let this thing be sturdy, please. Yes. 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 Oof. Hopefully this is sturdy because I plan on mounting my it is so long. It is so freaking long. Okay, I don't know how do I open this part up? I don't know, man. Okay. This. Perfect. Ooh. Finally I got this. So this is what I've been using. I'm just gonna take this off and try this one. I'm just going to put it like this because open my camera on my watch because I will be, oh Lord have mercy. Okay, because it's touching the screen. Oh shoot. Let me try something else. Let me take off my phone pack and see if it's going to work because I'm trying to figure out how to manipulate the shit to work for me. I need this to work for me, okay? I need this to work for me. Okay, let's see. Open camera. Oh Lord. Let me figure this out. I'll come back. I just want you guys to see what I'm doing. Exactly. Yay! I wish I can actually mount my camera on this as well, but I have to figure it out. Okay, so this is the setup I have in mind. Let me turn off the light so you guys can see me. So this is the setup. I really love it. Yay. So let's take a quick picture. Hey, you guys, look at my baby. I'm going to try and make her hair this morning. I am so confused. This child will not keep her head in one place because I mean she's a baby, so I'm struggling a bit. I'm trying to make her hair. And sorry, mama. Sorry. Sorry. One hair down. Many more to go. my lovely people. Hi my family. Hi my friends. Hi everybody. Ooh, you guys, I'm going to be ending Vlogmas 4 right here. Okay, let's start filming Vlogmas 5 tomorrow. I don't really have any other thing planned out for today, so I'm just going to rest and probably edit some videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for keeping up with my Vlogmas. I really appreciate you guys. Hopefully I'll be able to keep up with this energy, but I am positive and optimistic, and I am pushing myself to the wall. I'm trying to push myself into the wall just to make sure that my Vlogmas series is completed and uploaded at the right time before it's too late, you get. So yeah, that's the goal. So thank you guys for sticking with me, and I'll see you guys in Vlogmas 4. Bye, and enjoy the rest of your day or evening or night whenever you're watching this video.